Welcome to Publiq Studio. In this video, we'll show you how to create A+ images. Once you are logged into the platform, you'll be greeted on the dashboard. From here, go to Catalog and click on Product Images. You'll be directed to the illustrated editor. Here, click on the canvas and remove the image by clicking on the lock image. Click on the Design button on the top left side of the sidebar. Here, click on the A+ templates. You can see different designs for different category of product. Choose the design which you prefer to use for your product. Once the images are loaded, you can see a box will appear with different input option. If you want to create A+ images for your pre-existing listing, click on Link Listing and select your listing. Or else you can input the required details like brand, description and images manually. Once done, click on additional inputs. Here, you can select primary and secondary color which caters to your brand, or else leave it blank so our AI can adjust the color as per the product. Additionally, you can also select your preferred font from our font gallery, and lastly, you can add brand logo and select the placement from the drop-down option and click on Generate. Credits will be deducted for this action. Let the AI do its work. And once the images are generated, you can see it has created the images as per your product and its color. You can make changes to any elements of the image like texts, graphics, positions. Once you are satisfied with the changes, click on Save and the images will be saved to your media gallery. To access your media gallery, click on Media Gallery option on the sidebar and go to A+ images. Here, you can check and download your A+ images by selecting the images and clicking on the download button on the top. And you can directly upload the images from your system after extracting the images. Thanks for watching. For more tips and tutorials, be sure to check out our channel. See you in the next video.